Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us today for our video roundtable event, Weathering the Storm, How to Maximize Your Texas Property Values. I'm your host, Matt Hudgens, and this is Dick Anderson. He's a partner at HPI Real Estate Services and Investments. Sam Houston, at the other end, is a project partner at HPI Real Estate Services and Investments also. Andrew Levy, Senior Managing Director at Holiday Fanolio Fowler LP in Dallas. Looking ahead to 2009, what sort of changes in these situations do you see that owners need to prepare for or should watch for?
You know, I think I've kind of stopped being a realist. I've kind of stopped hoping for the rally. And in a way, I'm kind of just hoping for it to finish this little down cycle and get it over with so we can move forward. You know, I don't know what 2009 holds. I think the economy certainly by middle to late 2009, I hope, has stabilized, and people can, the job losses and whatnot, wherever it's going to top out from an unemployment standpoint, I hope we can all look back and say '09 was the bottom. From a real estate capital market standpoint, there again, if the distressed selling comes in with distressed sellers, I think that's if I'm an institutional owner of good real estate, my biggest concern is that when that selling comes in, it's going to affect me. Even if it's in a different market, even if it's a different property class, even if it's a different profile of assets, all that equity comes from the same place. And like Sam said, a lot of the money that's been raised just has really big eyes right now. And they're looking for 25, 35% levered returns. They're not going to get that on a well-leased office building or industrial building in a Class A location. But again, I think it's going to drag down a lot of the better quality assets, which would probably mean that you're probably not a seller of that stuff in '09 either.
Okay, Dick, how would you respond to that? Looking forward issues for 2009.
I would hate to venture a guess on what's going to happen in 2009. I'm hoping and pray the same thing, that we at least have the bottom in early mid '09, and we can start to kind of heal up and start getting the markets better. But I think from advice-wise for all owners and people in our business, I think it's a real important time to really take stock of what's going on. Be realistic with what the issues are. Don't put something off for tomorrow that you can handle today, whether it's a tenant issue or it's a personnel issue at your company or whatever. I think it's important right now that everybody has a real hard look at what they're doing and to get ready for what's going to be, I think, a big slowdown for '09.